Okay. Now, we're ready to do the vacuum. What you want is this air in here. You want to start by pushing the center down and keep an eye on it. Make sure it's not pulling your material away from the sides. I'm using this small pump now. This is a oil vacuum pump. It's a small one. I use a small one for the smaller jobs. So it's going to be a little loud. And when we get this down, I'm going to show you how this vacuums down. As you see, this is going to suck down in here nice and tight. And you'll hear where the air is coming in or out. You just want to go around it nicely. And as you can see, how the excess material is already wicking up through. You see where these little wet dots are? This is excess resin coming up through the peel ply, the bleeder ply, into the wick material. So the wick material is doing its job. What I like to do is I like to come around in all my corners and make sure they're nice and snug, nice and tight. You're going to have a lot of wicking resin coming up through, but that's okay. This thing will peel out of here with no problem. I go around all my corners real nicely, press down, make sure everything's good and firm. You get your corners out and show you guys what this looks like. Go around all your edges and just help it along, help push out any air bubble that might be trapped in there. It will come out. All your excess resin will come to the top. All this is going to wet up. All these little circles you see will wet up. And you want to make sure that this is holding a good vacuum. What we'll do is we'll turn the pump off after this vacuum's down for a couple more minutes. Make sure it's holding.